Ethereum expected to show a 1.8% rise by May 1, according to CoinCodex. But first, here's a quick overview of the current price movement. Ethereum has seen a 3.6% dip over the last day and is now trading near $2,243.85. Let's review the analysts' latest outlooks. Digital Coin Price says we could witness a decline to $2,238.37 by May 1, about 0.2% below current level. Crypto Prediction sees potential for Ethereum to rise to $2,247.67, an increase close to 0.2%. Traders Union points out it could head higher to $2,255.67, about 0.6% above now. Another outlook from CoinCodex indicates Ethereum might push higher toward $2,281.64, about 1.8% higher. To finish, Cryptonization believes $2,312.65 could be reached by May 1. That's a projected 3.1% gain. This is the most profitable call among all. That's all for the forecasts. Let's check what's next in the data. Summarizing all analyst predictions, here's the picture. From all projections combined, the move could be from a drop of 0.2% to an increase of 3.1%. The final takeaway is that Cryptonization expects the top return with 3.1% gain in value by tomorrow. This means you could collect between $2 and $31 for every $1,000 you invest. When it comes to probabilities, Digital Coin Price's forecast is the most reliable, with an 87.5% chance of success. By pulling the forecast together, I've set out a consensus scenario. The consensus forecast suggests Ethereum could rise by about 1.1%. Let's review the details step by step. Consensus expectations highlight a 1.1% upward move in price under present conditions. And by that same proportion, your capital would also reflect an increase. If you applied $1,000 here, it could show around $11 in return. And in practical terms, this consensus forecast carries a likelihood of 81.8%. To follow up, let's see how analysts describe the 3-day performance. Digital Coin Price signals a short-term move lower. Similarly, Crypto Predictions points to further weakness. A move higher is suggested by Traders Union. Similarly, CoinCodex sees the price heading higher. Meanwhile, Cryptonization suggests the market will keep pressing upward. Bringing all analyst views together, the consensus points to Ethereum trending upward over the next 3 days. From this overview, the majority stance signals Ethereum could climb in the short term. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were made. Now we know how they performed. In the end, yesterday's move brought the price to $2,253. Out of all 5, just one analyst called the move correctly. If accuracy is the measure, then 30 came out on top. Let's go through the outcome piece by piece. 3 forecasts landed within the candle. For OI, part of the group finished positive, led by Coin Price forecast. Now on screen is the summary table. All forecasts lined up for review. Recorded values for 30 rates 87.2% forecast probability, accuracy, and 0.5% ROI. Take a moment to notice who stayed most in sync with the market. Let's take a moment to observe how the forecast-based returns for tomorrow align between Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies. In the profitability overview, Ethereum holds 4th place, and Solana forecasts 2.7%. Here we're comparing Ethereum with 4 randomly selected cryptocurrencies. The full dataset is already online on my website. If you want to stay ahead and never miss the next important forecast, make sure to subscribe. See you later.